You'd think someone who loves to garden would enjoy watering it. Not me. I hate standing around watering. There are a million other things that I'd rather do with my time. So I built this solar-powered watering system that uses rainwater barrels and is fully automated. Now I can focus on the fun stuff while this automated system waters my garden for me. I ran a hose with pinholes through the length of the garden. Check out these cute little heirloom chili piquin peppers. They're 10 times hotter than the jalapeno peppers used in Cholula. How about these Japanese eggplant? These are so much better than the oversized eggplant you get in most supermarkets. Okay, back to the system. It starts with heavy-duty rain barrels for collecting runoff from the roof when it rains. I put in 2 and connected them with a hose. I made sure one was higher up than the other so gravity could help with overflow. I connected the spigots from both to a splitter. Then I ran a single hose to a small 110-volt marine pump with a smart pressure switch. It is hard to see in this shot, but there is a filter before the pump to filter out anything that might have gotten through the filter on the rainwater barrel. I use a small 10-volt battery to power the pump. I put it with the solar panel controller in a waterproof battery box. Now my favorite part of this whole setup is that watering is fully automated with an Eve Aqua smart water controller. I love using Eve smart home products because they don't require you to create an account to use their products. I set an automation that turns on the system each morning. We get a lot of droughts in the Northeast, so I feel good knowing that I'm watering my garden with water stored in rainwater barrels and not putting a strain on the well. I love that I can go on vacation without worrying about my garden not getting enough water. If you live in a cold environment, you'll want to store the equipment inside over the winter. One more tip: if your garden isn't close to the rainwater barrel, you can run a hose underground. Well, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. I'll post links to the equipment I used in the description below. Happy gardening!